I'm going to show you how to add money to your PayPal balance. So first you want to open up PayPal by going to paypal.com and sign in to your account. Next, you will need to click on the wallet from the top bar here, and you should find all your payment methods. Now make sure that you have a bank account linked to your PayPal account, as well as a card that you can use. And in certain countries, you might find a add money button on this page, which you can click on and basically transfer funds from your bank or card to your PayPal balance. Now, if you don't see it, another way to add funds to your balance is to basically send from another account, maybe a friend or whatever. You can send a payment request or give them your email to send you balance. And the last method is to basically use PayPal to pay directly for whatever you're trying to pay. And if you have a card linked, it will basically prompt you to use the card directly to make the payment instead of um, necessarily having balance. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.